Hi guys, I'm back today with another video. I decided to do a number cake. I have these templates that I actually just drew up myself. I made sure that it fit my 8-inch cake pans. These are the size that I'm doing for my number cakes. Basically, I just cut it up and then I taped it so that it wouldn't stick to my cakes. I'm cutting my cakes in half just so I can get 2 layers of it. And then I'm just going to start cutting up the shape. And I'm just putting the extra pieces aside so that my kids can just eat it. I'm using a serrated knife. That's a lot easier for me to cut my cake. And now I'm cleaning it up and starting on the other number. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it back into the freezer for it to chill. Now that it's all nice and frozen, it's a lot easier for me to handle. And here I am using a cream cheese whipped cream frosting for this cake. And if you guys want the recipe, I can make you a video of how to do my cream cheese whipped cream frosting. And now going on to the second layer of my cake. And there really is no specific order in how I'm piping on my frosting. I'm just making sure that my cake is covered. Doing the number cake, it was actually a lot harder than I expected, so I'm probably going to try out another number cake in the near future. So let me know what number cake you would like to see next, and I will go ahead and try to give that another shot. I'm just finishing off the last of my piping. I couldn't really decide how to decorate my number cake. I was going with pink, but then when I was done with it, it was a little bit too much for me. So I asked for suggestions from my husband, and he actually told me to do my favorite color, which was green. So that's what I ended up with. I used a whole bunch of chocolate. So these are basically just all mint chocolate along with some green gummies. I'm also adding some extra green frosting onto my cake. And this is what my number cake looks like. Hopefully you guys like my first tutorial of how I did this number cake. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to also hit that notification button for more videos, and I will see you all in my next one. Thanks for watching, guys.